Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I have something that's a little bit different on my channel. And I have an Ipsy box. It's not like the Glam Bag Plus or anything like that, but it's just a bunch of like extra products that I've bought. So I thought maybe it'd be cool to share it on my channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started because I don't exactly know. One of these was the, like, they had, let me think, a bag that you could get just like as a gift or for yourself or something like that. So I went ahead and got that. So this does come with a bag, and this is the one that they sent. It's really cute. It's got like sequins on it. I'm not going to keep this, but I'll give it to my daughter. She'll love it. So let's see. Let's see what I got. The first thing, and I can't remember what was supposed to come in the bag and what was just extra products that I bought. So, oh, excuse me. This is from Shayna B. It's a contour brush, but I'm probably going to use this as a blush brush because I don't have too many. And I went to Walmart today and looked at the e.l.f. brushes, and I couldn't find one that I thought I would like. So I went ahead and just picked this up. It's really soft. And then the next thing I have in here is a cleanser from Murad. It's an acne control clarifying cleanser. It's got 1.5% salicylic acid. I thought I might like to try this. Just, you know, I've been getting breakouts a lot more than I usually do, so I wanted to take care of those. And I think this is what came with that. It's a hydrating emulsion with organic, okay, I'm not even going to try to read that. A lightweight emulsion is quickly absorbed, leaving skin dewy soft, smoothing out fine lines with antioxidant property from shiso extract and organic inca oil. I'm probably butchering all of that. Rich algae extract nourishes tired skin and gently hydrates. Myrothumnus extract encourages deep hydration for a smoother appearing complexion. I can't remember if I already showed you, but those are the hardest words I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so I read it. But that seems like a nice thing to try. Okay, and next in here we have a highlighter. It's from the Madison Miller collection. It's an Ofra highlighter. If I can get it open. I haven't tried this one yet. I think this just came along in the bag because that's going to be too deep for me, but I might keep this and save it for a giveaway. So I'm not going to do a swatch. Well, okay, maybe I'll keep it for myself. Oh, I already have a swatch. A highlighter swatch from my last video. Oh, yeah, I can use this. Oh, yeah, I'll be able to use... Okay, you're not going to be able to see that. Sorry. Okay, I'll put it on this hand. Catch the light. So it's kind of like a subtle highlighter, but I think it's really pretty. So I'm glad I'm going to actually be able to use it. I'm glad I tried it. Okay, next in here from PYT, which I think is, no, I can't remember what it is. It's just little for a quad eyeshadow palette. I think I already have this one, but it must have come in the bag. I can't, yeah, like I said, I can't remember. But next in here, I really wanted to try this. It's from Glam Glow. It's Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. It's just this little teeny baby sample. But, you know, I mean, with samples, you're not going to get a lot. You know, you don't need that much to try to see if you like it. Oh, there's no safety seal. I don't like when there's not a safety seal. But there's a good amount of product in here. I can definitely use this for a while since it's just an eye cream. Okay, and then last in here, we have Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics, Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. I've tried this before and I really liked it. I bought a full size of it quite a long time ago. I just never repurchased it. But it is a really good mascara. Let's see how cute the little bottle is. Oh, they don't have the same cap. They have a really cool cap for it when you buy the full size. This is different packaging. So here's what the wand looks like. It's got the little spiky bristles on it. It's a plastic one. I don't usually go for these, but I've tried this before and I knew I liked it. So that was part of the bag. So I'd say everything's part of the bag except for these, if I'm thinking correctly. But yeah, so that's what I got. I thought maybe you guys would like to see that. You know, it's just a fun little video to do. So thank you for watching. I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!